Hey, welcome to BreitWerks. So what are we doing today? Well, we're going to get that in that. So 1974 911S Sportomatic transmission. Everything has been completely rebuilt back to factory specs, and we're going to get it in here. So that's the goal for today. So we're gonna get on with it, and hey, like they say, it's just 4 bolts, right? It's just 4 bolts. Absolutely not. All right, mission accomplished for today. Well, I mean, we're not done, but motor's in. Got our transmission mount all torqued up. We got the front engine mount all torqued up. We were even able to change out these old motor mounts. Talk about definition of dry rot. So we're still waiting on a hose, but that doesn't mean we can't get to it and do some of the other stuffs around here. But yeah, she's looking good, and we've got decent clearance on the exhaust pipe. I always worry about that when we put in a new one, but yeah, everything fits very well. It came out of there, so it should have gone back in, right? Yeah, that's what they tell you. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day. Check us out at BreitWerks.com. One of the best parts is freed up our little cart there, so now we can get started on a 71T that we're going to be rebuilding.